Alright guys, welcome back to another brand new video. Hope you guys are all doing well. Bitcoin today is slightly down. We are in fact seeing a fair few altcoins slightly dropping as well. So will we see this crash coming? Okay, is another crash coming for Bitcoin and crypto? That is exactly what I want to talk about for today's video. Now, straight up with you guys, okay, personally, I do believe we will in fact see some other corrections coming for Bitcoin and crypto. So yes, I do in fact see more dips coming for Bitcoin. And honestly, right? Honestly, guys, we should be blessed, okay? That we do in fact see, we could potentially see more dips and corrections coming for Bitcoin and crypto, right? And the reason why I say that is because we can buy more at a cheaper price. Okay, so remember guys, just last week we saw Bitcoin dropping all the way down to $49,000. And I know a lot of you guys wished, right, you would have bought Bitcoin at, $50,000, $52,000, because after that, right, once we saw Bitcoin going as low as $49,000, it did in fact create a V-shaped recovery pattern, and it went all the way up to $60,000, where it is right now, right, and where it has been for the past few days. It's just been consolidating, okay? And I know a lot of you guys wish you would have bought Bitcoin, when it was at $50,000, 52. So understand, when we see these corrections, don't miss it as an opportunity. Even in general, right, as of right now, Bitcoin, okay, is still a great buy. I've been telling guys that, man, many times for the past, few days throughout my videos. I've been telling guys that right now is a great time to buy Bitcoin because there's a lot of fear in the market right now. Okay, people are really, really fearful for Bitcoin. When there's fear in the market, we got to be greedy and buy. So let me just show you guys what is happening right now with Bitcoin. Okay, because Bitcoin slips below $59,000 as crypto market faces $132 million in liquidations. Okay, so it says here on Sunday, Bitcoin slipped below $60,000 mark and dipped even further beneath the $59,000 range. The leading cryptocurrency touched a intraday low of 58,000, okay, 58,300 after previously hitting a high of 61,800 earlier in the day. So Bitcoin today, okay, is slightly dropping. Okay, we know, if I just show you guys on the 1 hour time frame, Bitcoin, okay, was in fact consolidating pretty strong for the past few days, right? You can clearly see that, okay, but just recently today, it is in fact having this slight drop, right? You can clearly see that right there. So right now, Bitcoin, $59,000. It's just below $60,000. Okay, so it's having a slight drop today. Okay, this morning, you can see the crypto market today is slightly down as well. I say slightly, it's 3%. Okay, so we are in fact seeing a pretty, decent correction back down to the downside. Altcoins, right? Let's talk about altcoins real quick because you guys can see Solana's down 8% for the past 24 hours. Massive, great time to buy some Solana, right? Toncoin 7% as well. Great time, to buy some Toncoin if you've been thinking about it. Avalanche 5%, Sheep 5%, Polkadot 5%. Okay, Bitcoin Cash 7%, Chainlink 5%. The list goes on, right? A fair few altcoins today are down pretty decently today, right? So it's a great time to buy, guys. Okay, to take this small correction to buy more. So yeah, market overall today is down 3%. Global crypto market cap still above 2 trillion, which is a thumbs up, right? That's great to see. So yeah, Bitcoin is down 3%, Ethereum is down 1%, and yeah, a lot of reds today, right? You can clearly see that a lot of reds today. Okay, so great time to buy, and this correction could potentially drop further down to the downside, and I will mention why, towards the end of this video. But yeah, Fear and Greed Index sitting at 39. Okay, yesterday was at 40. I showed you guys this yesterday. And we are still in fear mode, right, today. So understand, guys, when there's fear in the market, we got to be greedy. When everyone is panicking for no reason, when everyone's panic selling, okay, becoming fearful, we got to be greedy and accumulate and buy more. Right, this is a great time right now to buy when there's fear in the market, right? I've been telling us that many, many times. When others are fearful, we got to be greedy, right? We know that. So this is the best time right now to buy Bitcoin. Okay. And also I will show you guys some other reasons why right now is a great time to buy Bitcoin. Okay. But understand guys, altcoins are undervalued. So a lot of these altcoins that we are in fact seeing in the crypto market right now are in fact undervalued. And I've been telling guys, a lot of these altcoins are still dirt cheap. A lot of these altcoins are still nowhere near back up to its previous all-time highs. Not even close. Right? Some of them are, like for example, Solana. Okay, Solana's pretty close, reaching back up to its previous highs back in 2021, our last bull cycle. But understand, a lot of these altcoins in the market right now are still dirt cheap. They're still nowhere near back up to its previous all-time highs. Right, so they're still cheap. And I told you guys, right, a lot of these altcoins, okay, will reach back up to its previous highs and reach new highs. Not all of them will do that, but majority of them will do that. You just have to really do your own research, right? So understand, guys, altcoins are undervalued. This is the best time right now to buy altcoins. Altcoins are cheap right now, okay? And understand, we know alt season is right around the corner, so a lot of these altcoins will skyrocket. Understand, guys, yes, a bull run is coming. We are, in fact, about to enter the next bull cycle, right? The next cycle. Yes, we know Bitcoin will skyrocket, but understand altcoins will skyrocket as well. So this is a great time right now, okay, to buy altcoins. Now, Bitcoin holding the line, when in doubt, zoom out. Says here, if you're an investor, don't get caught up in the short-term price action. It's just noise. And that is very, very true, right? So understand, guys, we are investors. Okay, we are here for long term for Bitcoin, right? You're doing this for your future self and, of course, for your family, right? So understand, guys, Bitcoin long term, it will skyrocket. And of course, if we're talking long term, 2030 and over 2030, yes, Bitcoin will be worth hundreds and thousands of dollars, if not over $1 million. That is going to happen, guys. So understand, long term, okay, we are here for long term. We are not here for short term. So what's happening right now with Bitcoin, with all these small corrections for the past few weeks, few months, just ignore it, guys. This is all noise. This is all FUD. Okay, truly. Okay, remember, guys, right? I forgot to show you guys on the daily time frame. We had this huge correction, right? Massive downtrend, right? Just last week. Okay, and then obviously it did in fact bounce back up. Yes, I'm just going to see that V shape did in fact, form, right? This V shape pattern. Okay, so understand this is all FUD, guys. And soon enough, in the next few months, you guys will understand, okay, that when Bitcoin is back up to its previous highs and reaching new highs, $80,000, 90, and of course 100K, you guys will understand that when Bitcoin was at $60,000, it was all FUD, right? Because this always happens, guys. Like, we 100% know a bull run is coming. Bitcoin is going to reach back up to its previous highs, right? So this is the best time right now to buy before a bull run happens, okay? So understand that, guys. This is all noise. Just ignore the noise. Ignore the FUD out there right now that's happening for Bitcoin and crypto. Don't get fooled, okay? And just understand, lock in, buy, and hold. That's really all you got to do, because we are investors, guys. Okay, so that's that, right? For all the investors out there, I hope you guys understand that we are here for long term for Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin is a great long-term investment. It has store value, generational wealth, right? It builds generational wealth, okay? And it's a hedge against inflation, okay? It really, really is, because it's always reaching new highs every single time we enter a new bull cycle. It always reaches new highs, okay? So understand, guys, when in doubt, zoom out, just like what Titan of Crypto is showing us. Now, historic Bitcoin buy signal is flashing. Okay, so you can clearly see right here, it seems like this is a great time right now to buy Bitcoin, to accumulate into Bitcoin, to load up on as much Bitcoin as you possibly can, preparing yourselves for the next upcoming bull run. Right now, okay, it is flashing buy. Okay, and understand, looking at this, right? The Bitcoin Rainbow chart. Now, I showed you guys this chart in yesterday's stream. Most likely you guys missed yesterday's stream, but if you guys did see it, yesterday's stream, I actually showed you guys this chart, and you can clearly see this chart is showing us that Bitcoin right now is in fact a great buy. Okay, right now, you can clearly see it's in pretty much the blue area and the light green area, right? Like the bluish area, which is a buy and basically a fire sale. So right now, guys, is still a great time to buy into Bitcoin. Okay, it's signaling, okay, the Bitcoin Rainbow chart is showing us here a very, very clear signal that right now is still a great time to buy into Bitcoin, and it's on fire, right? It's on fire sale, basically a fire sale. So it is still cheap. Okay, understand Bitcoin will reach new highs of $100,000 and $200,000 and $300,000. So we should be buying as much Bitcoin before it reaches over $100,000, before it reaches, in the six figures. Prepare yourselves, right? So understand, guys, this is a great time right now to buy as much Bitcoin as we possibly can. Okay, now let's talk about the crashes. Why I personally think we will in fact see more crashes. Why a Bitcoin crash could potentially be coming, in the next few weeks. So let's talk about it, right? Why I believe, we will in fact see more corrections coming for Bitcoin, and not just Bitcoin, but pretty much altcoins as well. Because if Bitcoin is dropping, then of course altcoins will drop with it. So Sensei says here, September, October, November, and December. These 4 months will change our lives. Be ready. Now, I agree that yes, in October, November, and December, these 3 months, not 4 months, 3 months, will change our lives, and we should be ready for it. But understand, okay, September is a very, very bearish, not bullish, bearish month for Bitcoin. Okay, understand. I've talked about this a fair bit. So if we look here on the Bitcoin monthly returns, yes, and clearly see August, we are still down a fair bit. Okay, over 9%, 9.3%. Okay, and we know, guys, that August is usually a pretty terrible month for Bitcoin. So understand, guys, in the next upcoming few weeks, even next month in September, because yes, and clearly see in September next month, September is honestly the most terrible month for Bitcoin. Out of all these months for Bitcoin, September is the worst one, right? It's the most bearish one. You also just clearly see that how many reds we have throughout the years compared to greens. So understand, guys, this month in August and next month in September, I'm not expecting Bitcoin to perform that great. I'm expecting small corrections, maybe even big corrections as well. So yes, potentially we will in fact see more Bitcoin crashes coming, okay, in the next few weeks. Okay, and don't be sad about it. Okay, don't be fearful about it. As I told you guys, when we see corrections, we should take it as an opportunity to buy more. Okay, this is the time to stack as much as you possibly can. And of course, if Bitcoin is lower at a cheaper price, it should be a bargain. You guys should be happy to buy more, right? So understand, guys, do not be fearful. Okay, when we see corrections, be blessed and buy more, right? So understand, okay, August, September are usually very, very bearish months, especially September. But understand, October, November, and December are very, very bullish months for Bitcoin, especially October, right? Look how many greens throughout the years we have had throughout October, the month of October for Bitcoin. A lot. Okay, we've only had 2 reds and the rest are greens. October is a very, very bullish month for Bitcoin. So understand, the month of October, November, and December, I do in fact expect Bitcoin to rise back up, reaching back up, okay, and we will obviously enter the next bull run at the time, okay, during that time, those months. So understand we have less than 2 months left to really buy Bitcoin at these low prices, okay, at the 60K level, even at the 50K level. I think August and September, we're going to be at those price levels, right? So this is the time right now to stack, guys, as much as you possibly can, right? So we have only less than 2 months left. So time is ticking. Okay, we're gonna have a lot of time left because understand October is coming around and November and December, and these 3 months will be absolutely amazing. So this is time right now to stack as much Bitcoin as you possibly can this month, okay, and next month in September, okay? So time is ticking. We don't have a lot of time left before we see a massive bull run, right? So that being said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end today's video. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. Give a thumbs up, subscribe. More videos will obviously be coming your way. I will keep you guys updated on Bitcoin. So on that, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.